Struggling with dry, brittle hair that lacks volume and life? What if you could restore softness, define your curls, and strengthen your strands, all with one simple product? This moisturizer does exactly that, giving your hair the bounce and body it deserves while repairing damage from the inside out. After dealing with post-COVID dryness and breakage, I found this product to be a game changer. It detangles effortlessly without weighing down my thin, fine hair. The scent is fresh but subtle, making every use feel like a mini spa moment. What really stands out is how it nourishes without leaving residue, giving my curls definition and shine I hadn't seen in months. What you get is more than just a conditioner. This formula combines hydrolyzed silk and panthenol to rebuild and strengthen damaged hair fibers, while ingredients like cetearyl alcohol and behentrimonium chloride smooth and control curls. It also works gently on the scalp, promoting healthier skin alongside stronger hair. If that's you, looking for volume, moisture, and curl control without heaviness, this is worth a look. Ready to give your hair the care it needs? Try this moisturizer to see what changes when your curls get the attention they deserve. Whether your hair is fine, dry, or damaged, this product offers a balanced approach to conditioning and repair. Treat your hair well, and it will show in every strand.